up, my gamers, and Jason Gaming here, and I am back with another disaster with
another Spongebob disaster video, part 2.
Yeah, part 2. But
what happened?
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna hide in Squidward's cheeky house.
Next disaster. They should really add Squidward's house with furniture.
Yeah. Taco!
What? Taco?
It's a taco.
Where's the taco? Oh, dude!
What?
Come outside!
The taco's hanging up top.
Taco.
I see it.
What happened?
Is that the taco?
Hey, Jason, Patrick's lost.
Oh my God!
Damage.
That thing exploded. I'm going to.
Dutchman shit fell over.
No, I'm getting in. Ignore the thing in the background because my sister's watching it. We will survive.
Who's Real Foxy?
Real Foxy Shadow.
Sorry, someone joined my game, and I kicked them.
Jason. Jason. What?
Wow. Jason?
Calling my name. No! I gotta see where it comes.
Again.
No, I gotta see where it comes.
No! No! I cannot believe what I just saw.
Look at that nuke! It destroyed everything.
Dude, it permanently destroyed SpongeBob, Squidward, and Patrick's house.
And guys, do you know, if you guys want me to know, if you guys want me to show you how I'm doing the audio from Tommy's voice. Oh yeah, dude, before this.
Yeah, he has the Wii U gamepad next to his iPad.
Yeah, I'm in the microphone. But nobody survived.
Oh, it's just us.
Wait, what? No!
No!
Everyone just left.
Dude, let's see what happens next.
Taco again?
Taco!
He's gonna land on us.
Whoa! Just look at the side of the taco from the line.
Whoa! Ah!
Whoa!
It timbled.
What?
It timbled me.
Whoa! That taco's like big.
No! Dude!
Look at that taco.
I want to eat it so good.
Yeah, I want to eat that greasy taco. Why did everyone leave?
I don't know, maybe because of that nuke. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, someone joined.
Who? Look out, bad girl. Look at it, we said it, I know it. No, they didn't, we said it. One dude. Oh.
Dude.
Luna. Yes. White team. It's coming. Eye. What's the eye? What? What the what?
Oh my gosh.
I see it.
It's a Septiceye.
Septiceye. No, it's not a Septiceye.
When a guest joined the game.
What do you mean?
A guest. Guest 4793.
Oh, I hate guests. We don't fund them. I'm not being pushed.
Dude, do you see that giant eyeball?
It looked like a real eye. Just more people are joining.
Someone else joined.
More people are joining.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Yeah. Oh, that loony. I got Luna here.
I really want to see that giant noob again. I really want to see that giant noob.
Wait, there was a giant noob? You started this?
Yeah, do you remember?
Yeah. Guys, we were being chased by a giant noob when I started this. But we were chasing quicksand.
Quicksand again?
But it's not gonna quicksand us.
What's happening? What? Oh, I think some of it's starting to disappear. I think the sand is rising. I think the sand's actually rising.
Yeah. I'm
Or at least we're in the
really
ship.
scared, Luna said.
Like, my cone is still in one piece.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna send something hilarious.
Lucas, stay with me and Tommy.
Yeah. Because we know the drills. We know.
She said okay. She actually responded.
What? Oh my God. She said okay.
What? Where's the next disaster?
I don't know.
Wait, I want to follow her.
Yeah, follow the hole.
Wait, what? Is that it?
That can't be it.
It can't be it. There has to be more.
True. But I think you need to put on. I pressed reset and nothing happened.
I'm trying to send Lunar back a friendly quest. Dude, she accepted my friendly quest.
Dude, wait, what? Hold on, I'm gonna friend her too.
New friend.
Hold on, I'm gonna friend her.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me friend her.
Jason, what should we call this episode? More tacos?
Oh my gosh, flying tacos. What about that?
Yeah, well, wait a minute. We should title it, it's raining tacos.
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna be titling this Raining Tacos.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Guys, wait a minute.
Oh, she's crying.
Should we...
Dude, Luna's crying.
What is the next disaster?
Hold on,
Wait a minute, I think it's the nuke. I think it's the nuke. Wait a minute, should we reset our Roblox and then come back?
Hold on. Read what I said.
Let's see if she would. I want to see if she responds.
I'm waiting. Oh, she's scared.
Did she friend you?
I don't know. Hold on.
I can't believe this, dude.
Yeah.
I think we should just... Wait a minute.
What am I doing? I am doing this. Hold on. I'm resetting my character. Okay, hold on. I'm resetting my character. I'll be back.
I want to reset too. Regen? Is this a glitch or something? It's not doing the next disaster.
Oh my gosh, I did not let me.
Is this a glitch?
Yeah, this might be a glitch.
I think we should just reset Roblox and then come back to this game.
Yeah.
Should we do that right now?
Oh my gosh! What are you guys driving? get in. Tommy, let me get. Tommy, let me get in.
No. What?
Okay, let's do that now,
Wait,
guys.
I wanna...
Guys, we'll be right
I see
back.
some.
Right after.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Oh my God, someone's sending me some class. Luna just left, I think.
Just...
Luna just left.
I know.
Okay,
Wait a minute, does it show the next disaster?
no. I'm leaving. Guys, we'll be right back. Sorry guys that this happened. Okay. Dude, are we sitting?
I'm resetting my Roblox.
Okay, join in the game.
Did you pause the video?
I think you can't pause it. I can't pause it. Sorry guys, I can't even pause it. Looks like we gotta stay here. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video of this next disaster. Tommy made a friend. Wait.
Yeah, and we made a friend today called Lucy, bad girl.
But hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.